Okay, Sparky.
Beautiful. So this week we're going to talk about, it's that time of year where everybody's out looking for that perfect gift.
Uh-huh.
Well, I think the perfect gift's a safe.
Yes.
Now, when you're looking for a safe, you have to look at number of different things. Like the small home safe, those little fire safes you buy, little lockbox things.
Yep.
Now, they'll hold your precious jewelry, some rare coins, some even some little cash, but the rule of thumb is when a thief breaks in your house, the first place they go is the master closet looking for the little safe.
Uh-huh.
So basically, what the point is if you have a little walkabout safe like that, and I have one, we use it like all our insurance papers. So a hurricane coming,
Yeah.
grab the safe, and out the door you go. So
Right.
they have their place. But if you have hard to find or hard to replace items such as family birth certificate, family photos, birth certificates, passports, and all that, um, getting a better safe is not necessarily the most expensive thing to do. You just got to read a little carefully.
Uh-huh.
So pick your perils. So most home safes are designed to protect the contents inside of them from fire or theft or both. And that's a real key one. So you could go
Uh-huh.
find a large safe, but if you read the fire safety on it, the fire safety may only be 30 minutes. And then actually, according to Consumer Reports, a 30 to 45-minute safe is usually okay. The reason being is that if your house is on fire and it gets to flashpoint, right, 1800 degrees, then
Uh,
boom, everything's flammable.
right.
It usually moves through a room in 20 minutes.
Really?
Room's gone. I didn't know that. I
Wow.
mean, so we could get somebody from CFP, Chicago Fire Department, call in and confirm that, but
Right.
because that makes you wonder what the logic is when you're looking at safes, because you very rarely will see a safe that's rated, say, hour and 15, hour and a half. They're, like 45 minutes is always the max, it
Really?
seems like. Yeah. So that was a very interesting thing. So looking for fire resistant is a good one, but look for that. But also remember that regardless of that safe, that the interior temperature should never get more than 350 degrees, or else you could lose everything anyway. So you got to
Right.
kind of look at some of that stuff. Um, so they're saying, if you plan on storing like old tape recordings or 35 millimeter slides, you're gonna get a safe that's not rated for more than 150 degrees inside because all the film will, go bad.
Right.
Computer disk, DVD, 125 degrees. So now just to put computer disks and stuff, which I mean nobody has that anymore. You have flash drives, so you put that in your pocket, you run out the door.
Right.
But anyway, so 30 minutes is most common, and that's usually pretty good. Burglary protection is the whole other side of this. So the safe that I have, and we keep guns and papers and all
Right.
that stuff. It is in my master closet.
Okay.
But if I come home and the guy's walking out the house with that safe, I
Yeah.
don't want to catch that guy. You know what I mean? It's large enough where I'm like, no, I think we're good. But
It's
independent
o-
ratings
you can have
for
it. It's okay. You can have
yeah, I
it.
mean that guy's so big. If you're walking out with that thing, then I'm not even. Yeah, no, we're good. We're insured. But burglary resistance is an interesting one. UL testers go at safes
Really?
with tools,
Uh-huh.
torches, and even explosives.
Wow.
So a TL-15 rated safe, for example, can withstand an attack of at least 15 minutes using common tools.
Huh.
So if you have a safe that's rated TL-15, that means that guy's got 15 minutes minimum, that he's going to be hacking away at this thing before he can get in. So a TL-30 would be, harder. So which means obviously you got a better chance of catching the guy. He's not going to, or he's going to give up from boredom.
Right.
While most safes don't carry a rating for burglary resistance, they do, as a practical matter, provide some protection.
So okay.
So,
So if you're in a house and you're trying to break into something, how much time do you want to spend in that house?
well, that's
15
the
minutes
key.
is a long time to be
Well,
spending
yeah, you're
there.
supposed to, get in, get out, right? I mean, I
Yeah.
suppose that's what burglars try to do.
Sure.
Well, unless you put on Facebook that you're going to Cancun for 10
Yeah.
days, then they know they have about 10 days to work on your safe.
And they just keep coming back and
That's why I
forth.
hate when people put on Facebook, oh, going to the airport now,
Yeah.
going to be gone, see you in a week.
Yeah.
I know it's only supposed to go to your friends, and I get all that, but I don't
Anybody
know.
can see
I
it.
just don't let people know when I'm just bugging out.
No. Let them know
The
when
other
to
one
get
that's
back.
interesting is protection against water. So water seems to be an added feature to home safes. Like my safe is not waterproof,
Huh. No,
which
that's good.
being in 1 foot above a base floodplain and having hurricanes in the area, you would think waterproofing would be a big deal.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure because the door rattles
I'm
when I close.
pretty
the door.
sure.
Well,
I'm
I can.
pretty sure you're from Chicago.
Yes.
I'm not
I can actually
100%
put
sure,
weather
but
strip
I'm
on there and
pretty
make it
sure.
a lot more water resistant.
Uh-huh.
Other than the bolt holes in the bottom, which the water will just pour in anyway.
It keeps talking over me.
Yes.
Remind me the next hour. I got a question to, well, not a question so much as a statement to make about a car that was broken into that I know about this week. It was a contractor truck. I'll talk to you about it later.
Okay.
You just made me think of it.
She does that pretty good, actually. And she's never done that before in all these years.
Oh, no, she used to do it all the time.
All right, so the last thing, because we're going into break, is cost. So for about $25 and up, you can get a fire chest, but bigger safes, better protection, costs more. Any questions?
Excellent.
Rich at mightyhouse.net.
Excellent. We'll be back.
Mighty House. Mighty House will return.